Any creates for me this business model, NEQ AI-driven social media communication automation. This is the headline that Any creates for me and gives me into the business model a purpose, a North Star metric, who is my audience, and start diving into my audience. That is the core of NEQ. Understand my value propositions, what problems and challenges I'm solving, how I could help to gain, and also more important, the brand voice and tone for the NEQ brand. This is very important. But I can keep navigating here. I can expand my segment and check this icon. When you have this icon, it means that you are talking about segment. It is many people here. If you click your segment, check it change here about the segment, change the name of the segment, in this case, entrepreneurs and solopreneurs. Remember that this is based on your website, and this is a big discovery for many NEQ users today. Sometimes they validate with the onboarding that they have a communication in the website different to the market and audience they want. And this is one part of the gap. And Any will helping you to solve that part. So who is this segment? And Any start giving me the information here, which are the pains they have, dreams, gains, the unique selling proposition, and many other insights that I can use to understand my audience. I can get the drivers and motivators, the jobs to be done, and other insights here. But Any keeps going deep into the audience understanding. And you can find into the segment the solopreneur creator. This is the ICP, the ideal customer profile that Any identifies for you. So if I click here, again, check the change here. Ideal customer profile, I have the name of this ICP. And let's see if this is something that really happens, because if you are watching this video, if you are here, it is maybe because you are an entrepreneur, a creator, a small team, and you need to create content and create awareness for your company and drive leads to your next touch point. If you feel in that way, check the interesting point. Any really understand what NEQ does. So I have here, this is a simple introduction. Single person business operators could be consultants, coaches, personal brands, people that need to create content. Who they are: entrepreneurs, solopreneurs. They operate solo or as personal brands also. They have some challenge and aspirations, key doing details, and many other information and insights here. I can understand value and risk. How can I decide the fit criteria? So this is interesting because Any helped me to understand more my audience and my market. And I also have here the different personas that Any creates for me. And we have different icons here. Those icons help you to understand who are these persons. So for example, if I click here, the solopreneur buyer, I get in the specific buyer persona for this case. This is the solopreneur. I have, again, this is a buyer persona. I get information about the personality, the typical thoughts and actions. I have information here to validate if they are that kind of persona, motivators, goals, drivers to connect, many information that I can use and Any use and my company can use to create better engagement, a strong engagement with my audience. I also have, for example, the decision maker. I can click, give me a second, here, the decision maker. I have this person, again, I get the personality, who is this person, and many interesting insights from them. I have the influencer, the user, but I want to focus specifically in the anti-persona, a concept that we have in NEQ to understand those people that we don't want to reach. And it is important because sometimes we get the people that is not the right for our business, and they could be detractor and also distractions for our business. Understanding who are them helps Any to create better content and drive the communication to avoid them into the flow. Well, I have all my information here. Something interesting it is I can delete those entities. For example, I can click here and say I want to delete this anti-persona. Or also I can delete the ideal customer profile, I can delete the segment, or just I can delete the full business model. You need to review and read all the information here. And take care and take time to review this information, because this will be the base of all your strategy. Let's say that you are disagree with this information. You want to review it.